Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make your own sound on TikTok. So let's get started. First things first, open TikTok app on your device. Then click on bottom plus button. Then click on upload button on the bottom right. Then select the video that has the sound you want to save. Then click on next. Then make some changes if you want. Then click on next. Then click on this button. Then select that only you can see this video. Then click on post button. Then the video will be uploaded. Once video is uploaded, don't worry, only you can see this video. Then click on this lock button to see your video. Then click on the video. Then click on this bottom right button. Then click on add to favorite. Then click on use this sound. Now you can use this sound and you can make videos using this sound. And that's how you make your own sound on TikTok. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.